Okay, we're at McDonald's. We've just gone about 100 and some miles. We're on our way to camp. There's Ivan. So, Fred, tell me what lakes you've already seen this morning.
Superior?
No, you haven't seen Lake Superior yet. What's the one
Michigan?
Yes, but what's the one at home?
Huron? No.
Yes.
Huron.
So you've seen Lake Huron and Lake Michigan. So we're leaving Newberry and heading north. So off we go to camp. Look at me for 1 sec. Okay.
We're almost to camp.
What are we doing?
We're at Walmart getting stuff that I forgot to put in my bag.
Another step. Here we go. Tell me what you just did.
I went around camp, got my sheet signed.
By who?
All the dental office, the health office, and by my unit leader, and by the office.
And now what are we doing?
We're taking my stuff to my cabin.
Because what are we gonna do?
Unpack my stuff.
All right, and then we're gonna leave you here, aren't we?
Yep.
Okay, now tell me, what lakes did you see today?
Lake Superior, Lake Huron, and Lake Michigan.
Awesome. All right. Tell everybody what.
See ya.
And how long?
7 weeks.
Bye, Fred. Went to Tractor Supply. Got Guess what I found? My absolute favorite thing in the world, and it was there as a plant. A fig. This is called a Chicago hardy fig. It says it can die down to the ground and come back and produce fruit every year. I'm not going to do that. I have this big pot. I'm going to put it in this pot. It says it likes lots of sun. In this big pot on the front porch, and then when it gets cold, I'll bring it in. We'll see what happens. All the roots came off. The mixture in the pot is a mixture of composted manure and organic potting mix, and I added extra perlite to make it a little bit lighter. And said to make sure that where the root was, the level of the soil is the level of the soil where you plant it. I tried to make it straight. It's kind of not straight, but I'll turn it to the sun and maybe it'll get straight. So there it is. Now we just need sun and some time. We'll see what happens.